time it is. Okay, speaking of significance, we're talking about Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. The rarity of pink gems in the world of jewelry is really true in fine gemstones. There's not a lot of pink out there, you know, and man, thanks to that certain movie out there, pink and green has been very, very popular this season. We had, what, a 7-carat rare Morganite stone.
I heard. I didn't see it, and Peyton was telling me about it. I'm like, I need to find it. It's somewhere in here.
We have one sample. I don't know.
We'll try and find it
for you. This is Caroline Irvin, who is a graduate gemologist. She is a GIA graduate gemologist, and also in her other life touches truly some of the rarest, most expensive, most spectacular jewelry there is. She is here today to talk about this gorgeous ring, and guess what? It's that Morganite stone we talked about earlier. It's in sterling silver, but we decided to plate it in real 14-karat, wait for it, rose gold, and that's a 9 by 6 millimeter pear-shaped Morganite.
It's 1 carat.
1 carat.
Which it doesn't say online, and I looked that up to make sure.
Thank you.
On our sheets.
We should make a little note of that, Brian, because online and in my card it does not have the carat weight. So that's a carat.
It's 1 carat just for the Morganite.
Just for that, because the rest of it is white zircon.
Yes.
How about this for you, for your mom, for your lover, for your wife, for your best friend, for your daughter, for your grandmother? It doesn't matter. What a beautiful ring. I have it on. Do you guys need one for the model? You have one. Okay, great. I popped it on because there is something so graceful and pretty about this. But Caroline, again, you and I are together sometimes, and I look at the prices and I think, what?
Yeah.
This is first time seen. It hasn't been on all day long. And the 5 easy payments and the price is going to leave us at the end of the day. I mean, I just feel like this is welcoming spring.
It is.
Right?
And just the lines of this ring, the movement, the subtle arches in the bands. You know, you have that beautiful solid band of zircon in the center, and then these sort of opposing, one set with that Morganite and one set with this beautiful leaf detail, which is just, I've never seen a ring quite like this. I just think it's such an elegant design.
And so one band in the back, but then it splits to really what looks like 3 stack rings in the front. But can you talk to us about Morganite and what makes it so special? And again, with pink stones so rare and so expensive, what a beautiful gift, or what a beautiful piece for you to buy yourself.
I know.
Whether it's for Valentine's Day or not, but we know it's going to be there in time.
Yeah. So Morganite is such a great stone. It's such a graceful gemstone. It is the peachy pink variety of beryl, and beryl is the mineral species. Aquamarines are a beryl, emeralds are a beryl. This is that beautiful peachy pink variety. It was discovered in 1910 in Madagascar, named after J.P. Morgan, the famous financier, which some people might be like, that's pretty random, but he was actually a huge supporter of gemstone discoveries and funded expeditions and everything during his lifetime, major collector. And so he got this particular stone named after him.
Well, we've had 100 ordered, 200 left. That's it. Size 11 just sold out. You know, the one thing that I think my parents did, well, they did many things beautifully, but they always had traditions about when you got something special. So for instance, when you graduated from high school, it was a set of luggage, and we were all so excited to get our luggage. At 16, my mom always felt that it should be a pretty ring, and at 21, a beautiful pair of stud earrings. Graduating from 8th grade, my parents bought me my first good ring. It was white gold with a simulated star sapphire. Remember them? That was big back in the 70s.
Big,
with a little tiny diamond accent. And guess what? I still have it.
Yeah.
I don't have much from when I was 14 because I just turned 63. But I look at this ring and I think, who is the graceful dancer? Who is someone that loves to garden? I mean, it literally looks like some of the beautiful plants I was presenting last night from Roberta's. It almost looks like it's animated, like you're going to see it moving and growing. And to get one of the rarest gemstones, that beautiful pinky peach beryl, same family as emeralds and aquamarines. And then you also have white zircon. And we were talking about zircon with Peyton. That's a really special stone too, isn't it?
Natural gemstone, which we like to highlight through our Affinity line because its name obviously is similar to cubic zirconia, which is a man-made stone. But this zircon, white zircon, is a beautiful gemstone. It is white. It is doubly refractive, so it throws light around the way a diamond does. And that's why we like to use it as an accent stone to this morganite.
And is this stone really easy to take care of, this ring?
Yes, it is. You know, it's a fairly hard gemstone. It's 7.5 to 8 on the Mohs scale. I always say, though, I don't like to put colored stones in any sort of ultrasonic machines. I like to steer clear of that. Just use a soft bristled toothbrush, which we all have at home, a little bit of soap, and just get under the gallery, scrub it around, you know, especially if you use lotions and stuff this time of year. Keep it clean because it brings it right back to life.
And I love the way that you just spearheaded the design on this to make it so pink. You know, it's like, you know, Flora, Fauna, Merriweather, make it pink, make it blue. This is pink through and through because it's also the real 14 karat rose gold on top of the silver that gives it that gorgeous glow. That's why even the white zircon feel like they almost have a subtle pink cast. And it's so pretty and it's so graceful and it's so easy to afford at $229.98 for a 1 karat morganite plus the white zircon. But keep in mind, in 2 hours and 40 minutes, and you know what they say, time flies when you're having fun. And Caroline,
And
we're
we
having
are
a lot of
today.
fun.
I know. It's a
Because
great
from
day.
now till midnight, pretty much everything you'll see, you haven't seen all day long. So it really are pieces. I mean, look at that on Alex's
Oh my
hand.
gosh.
It looks like it's dancing. It looks like
does.
it's moving, that it's suspended in space.
It does. Those lines are just gorgeous.
So as we wrap it up, remember, we only have about, what, Bray, 200 left, I think you told me? 175. And we do have sizes 4 through 11. I think it's one of the best gifts heading into spring that one can get. Caroline, always a
Thanks,
pleasure.
Jane.
Thank
Great to
you, my
see you.
love. In less